Hello everybody and welcome back to another video, and in this one we are going to be talking about how to download Lethal Company on PC. So let's just dive into the process on how to do so. So in this one, first of all, we are going to be simply heading over to our Steam, which is basically a platform for gamers, and it is having millions of games available for you to download, so you can already see some suggestions coming on the trending games and stuff like that. So here on the top right side of our screen, if I show you, you can see we have the search bar, and in the search bar we are going to be simply searching for the game itself, which is Lethal Company, and you can see it has already been displaying up with the game and the title and the thumbnail as well. Click on this, which will be directed towards our game. So here you can see some video of the game and some snapshots. So yeah, you can also scroll through different type of screenshots. So if you want to have a much better look onto the game itself, you can do that as well. Scroll a little bit down and we have this option to add to cart, and the game is completely original, uploaded by original authentic developers of the game. So you can see the developer, which is the Zeekers, and yeah, so click on add to cart. By the way, make sure that you are logged into Steam, which is recommended, because if you want to just own a game that is going to be adding into your library, it is important that you have logged into Steam. So yeah, click on add to cart, and once you do, you will have your game available and ready to play. So that's a pretty simple process on how to get Lethal Company on PC. And thank you so much for watching, and make sure to suggest us in the comments that what you want to see upcoming up next onto the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure to subscribe to the channel and like the video. See you around the next one.